This 2025 Coachmen Freedom Express Select 247 SE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.